Hello, everyone. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Good morning for everyone. It's good afternoon now, but yeah, good
Yeah.
afternoon for everyone. Okay, just I'm admitting your friends now. I hope
Okay.
you guys are all fine and doing well. Do you have any questions before we start?
No.
Are you sure
No.
about that, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So,
Miss,
guys,
I told them
we're
to
gonna
join the
start.
meeting.
Okay. Okay, Abdurrahman, I really didn't understand what you're saying in the comments, but anyway, guys, if you are traveling, please be careful. Take all your precautions, wear your masks, use alcohol, and don't come in contact with anyone that you don't know. So be careful about that. Second of all, today we are going to talk about electromagnets. And as I said in the beginning, why do you guys think electromagnets are special? Like, what makes electromagnets special? We already have magnets, right? Why do you think
Yeah.
electromagnets are important?
Uh, I don't know.
Okay. Someone else? Can you guys guess why?
Miss, can you say the question again?
Why do you think we need electromagnets? We already have magnets. Why
Maybe
do we
to
need? Yes?
use them. I don't know what to use them for.
Maybe in some electronics products, like use it
Okay. We use
like
magnets in
gravity.
electro. Yes, we use
Gravity,
magnets in a lot of devices. Well done. Yes, we do. We use
like
magnets in
gravity.
a lot of things. That's right. We need magnets actually. Like we use it in computer, we use it in making CD drivers. So it's very important to have magnets. But why do we need electromagnets? Like why do you need magnets that are created by electricity anyway? You already have magnets.
To give us electricity?
To power up stuff.
Yes?
To power stuff.
To what?
Power
To
stuff.
make power in the stuff. To get the electricity in it.
To make power on stuff
In the stuff.
in
Like
the stuff.
TVs and stuff.
Miss, can I answer?
Okay, we have someone else. Okay, thank you guys for trying. But can we have some
Yeah.
other answers?
Miss, can I answer?
Okay, yes, you can tell me your idea.
Maybe for the motors or toys or the machines.
Okay, that's interesting. You're close. Let me share my screen. Can you guys see my screen? I thought I was sharing my screen all this time.
Yes. No.
Okay. So thank you guys for trying to figure out why we need electromagnets, though we have electrons.
Miss, wait. Is it like the magnets that we use to like power stuff and we use to make like stuff in the factories?
I know one.
Okay.
It's for industries and lifting
Really, Miss
stuff.
Sahar?
Yes, it lifts up stuff. That's right. Malak, I
And
didn't hear your answer, Malak.
I said it's like we use it to make machines in the factories and it powers stuff and like it's used to like do plenty of stuff.
Okay, that's nice. I like how you guys have creative ideas in answering. Well
Miss,
done. Thank you
Miss,
guys.
I
Thank you
think I
everyone.
know.
Thank you, Muhammad. Yes, Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman will be the last one so we can start.
To work computers or something, or help, or help, uh, or help
Yes.
work computers.
Well, yes, it's used in computers and CD drivers, as I said in the beginning. Thank you so much, Abdurrahman. You will guys learn later why do we need electromagnets though we have electrons. But first, we need to talk about magnets. Okay. So we know magnets, they attract materials, right? They attract things. But what are the things that they attract? We call these things magnetic materials. So when I say magnetic, it means that these materials are attracted to magnets, like iron, it's attracted to magnet, right? Steel,
Yeah.
Steel is actually made up of iron, so it's still attracted to magnets. So steel and iron, both of them are called magnetic materials. So what do I mean by magnetic?
Uh,
Things that are attracted to magnets.
Yes, they are attracted, or the materials attracted to magnets. And magnets are actually rocks, like real rocks found in nature. And we call them lodestones, okay, or magnetic rocks. And they were discovered really old time, even BC. Like it's a really, really long time. And the people just thought maybe it has magic in it because it's used to attract things, okay? It attracts metals and iron. So they thought maybe this rock has life in it. Okay, maybe it's just a living thing. Of course, rocks are not living things because we know now it's just a normal stone, but with properties that allows it to attract metals. Okay. So
Okay.
yes, in old times they thought it had soul in it. Then in China, they had another thought. Like people started to go out and collect it and sell it somewhere. Okay. They used it then in order to make compass. Do you know the compass? It's used to see directions like north, south, and
yes.
south, north, and south, and east, west. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So they used it to know directions later. So we had it in different cultures used it for different things. In old times, they thought it had a soul because it attracted things to it. You know, people then used it in order to see directions in China in really old time. Okay. They had a needle, for example, like this man, he's holding a needle in his hand. Can you see that? Okay. And when he got the needle next to the magnet, he said that maybe we can make something that help us with directions. And then he built up a compass. Okay. How can we be having only 10 minutes? Okay, I think guys, there's something wrong with the meeting. So if the meeting ends, we'll join right away. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, because this one ends
Okay.
12:30. It ends 12:30, but still says that there's only 10 minutes. I have no idea why, but we will join
Mm,
if it ends. Okay?
Miss, at 11:20 I joined, or 11:30 I joined the meeting, and it said wait, and I'm in the waiting room. So I think that's why it has
Yes,
a
maybe when
few
they had it
minutes.
scheduled, like they schedule all the meetings, maybe they just made it with wrong hour. It's okay.
Yeah.
But our meeting should start at 11:50. 11:50. So we started at 11:50 and says now we have only 10 minutes. So it's okay. Maybe there's something wrong with the schedule, but once it ends, you guys can join again. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So in here, for example, we have different scientists that just was interested in this stone. Like, what kind of stone is this? Until they discovered that this is again magnet. Magnets are rock. It's a rock that attracts magnetic materials or attracts different materials to it. So,
Just like
what is
iron.
magnetic? Yes,
You said iron.
I said iron.
No, I meant like when you said iron in the beginning of the session.
Yes, like iron, steel, all those are magnetic. Yes, well done. Thank you so much, Mana.
Yeah.
Okay, so in here we have different materials. Can you see them?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's check
Yes.
which one is magnetic and which one is not magnetic. Like, let's get back. Okay, so iron is magnetic, right? What else do you guys think? Is gold magnetic?
Gold.
Copper?
Yeah.
Is gold magnetic?
Yeah.
Do you
No.
think it's magnetic? Okay, we'll see at the end.
Yeah.
Nickel. What do you think about nickel, cobalt, all of those?
Not
Let's
not
check, okay?
magnetic.
So now we'll kind of press on one and see what's attracted to the magnet. So here we have a magnet. Can you see the one in blue and red?
Yes.
This is the magnet.
Yeah.
And those are the metals that are attracted to
I
it. So
think
nickel,
nickel will
cobalt,
work.
and iron.
We
Gold
do
is
not
not magnetic. Gold is not
magnets.
magnetic, which is it's pretty good because if we're wearing golden jewelry, now it will be attracted to any magnets. It will be easy to steal.
Wood is not
So
magnetic.
thank God we don't have it in magnetic property. Wood is not magnetic, of course. It's not a metal, Aslan, right? Wood.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So Here we have different materials, but we can skip this one and look for magnets. Well, magnets, people thought they have powers or soul and they are living because they attracted metals in a really, really astonishing way. For example, here we have a magnet. Can you guys see it? This is called a horseshoe magnet. Horseshoe because it looks like the horseshoe, literally. Okay.
Yes.
So you can see this powder around it. This is powder. This is called iron powder. Okay.
Okay.
So it's iron, but in a form of powder.
Okay.
Okay. Or we can call them iron fillings. Iron fillings. Can you see the
Miss,
name?
this
Iron
is
fillings? Yeah.
Yes.
Miss.
Yeah.
The one that's what the is this is powder that is around the magnets?
This is what?
You said that that the black dots are powder.
Yes, the one around the magnet. So the magnet is this one here, the one in a U shape. Can you see it? U
Yeah.
shape.
Yes.
It's like a
Yeah.
horseshoe shape.
Yes.
Yes, they sometimes call it a U-shaped magnet or a horseshoe magnet. You can see this powder around it. This powder, it's called
Yes.
Yeah.
iron filling. It's called iron fillings. Or we
Iron
can say
fillings.
iron powder, like it's like iron in shoe powder. But this one is used to see
Iron powder or iron fillings.
fillings, yes. Okay. So this magnetic field, what is a magnetic field? Well, it's the area around a magnet where its power is there. Like you know, I can hold a magnet and you guys can stand at the end of the room with an iron steel or iron nail. And do you think the magnet is gonna work?
No.
Yes.
No, because you're standing at the end of the room, and I'm standing in the on the end of the other end of the room. Magnets are not that powerful to attract it. So that means that magnets have an area around them where they have their power in. Okay. So what is a magnetic field? It's the area around the magnet where it has a magnetic effect. Okay. So in here, the iron fillings, as you guys can see, are attracted to it in a certain shape that shows us the magnetic field. Like the magnets up there, can you guys see them? The magnets up there, those, those here, up here, can you see them?
Yeah.
Yes. Those are
Yes.
not attracted to the magnet, only the one
Mm.
near the magnet, because those are outside the magnetic field. Okay, so what is a magnetic field again? It's the area around the magnet where its power is there. Of course, this area can increase, okay, if the magnet becomes powerful. So here he's going to show you how we can think about magnetic field or how can we examine a magnetic field. So he has a piece of paper, obviously, okay, with a magnet under it. Can you see?
Yeah.
Then he's going to drop
Yes.
some iron fillings. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes. Can you see how they are forming and making different shapes or they are getting closer in the
Yeah.
magnetic field? Can you see that?
Yes, I
Yeah.
see
This
them
area?
moving.
Can you see this area in the middle with me?
Yes.
Wait, we
Yes.
also have
Yes.
the same magnets.
Yes. Can you see this area in the center? Yes. This is where the magnet is, and this is where it has its magnetic power. And we can say it's magnetic field. In this
Miss,
area in there, this area, for example, and this one, there is
It
they will
will
not
not
be
attract
attracted.
magnets. Yes?
They won't attracted. They
Yes,
won't
they
be
are
attracted
not
because
attracted
it's
to
far
because
from
it's
the
out of the
magnetic
power. It's
huh?
away from the power.
Magnetic
Magnetic
field. Yes, Hamza, well done. It's
field.
out of
magnetic
the magnetic field,
place.
away from the magnetic.
Magnetic field.
Okay, can you see that?
Yeah.
So what is a magnetic field again? It's the area around
Yes.
magnet, okay,
Okay.
that still have its effect. So it's like so small because the magnet is so small. If the magnet is a little bit stronger, the area will increase. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's check now. Let me clear all of this.
All right, guys. Hello. Welcome. I hope that you guys.
Okay. Yeah. So it's really nice and how it looks like magic for me. I think that's why people used to think it has soul in it. In here, he's showing you another look at the magnetic field. Here we have a magnet. You guys know that the magnet has two poles, remember? We have North Pole and South Pole. Remember that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we have the one pole, which we call North Pole, and we have the South Pole. And you can see that most of the iron fillings are actually attracted at the end of these poles. Can you see that?
Yes.
Can you see most of the iron fillings at the end? Can you see this?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
because the two poles are the areas of the magnet that have the most power. Okay?
Okay.
So where can we find the most powerful part of the magnet? It's at its North Pole and South Pole. Okay? Those are the areas where they have the most power. The strongest points or the strongest field is at the poles. Okay? Okay? Everyone, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, we only have 1 minute left. So again, if the meeting ends, you guys join again. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So the closer as the North Pole and South Pole get closer together, that means that the magnetic field will actually become bigger, and that means the magnet will also become stronger. So remember when we say that the same poles attract and the same poles repel and the different poles attract?
Yes.
Yes. So here he's using two magnets to show you guys also the magnetic field. So here we have North Pole, South Pole. Guys, please, if you're not using the mic, you can mute yourselves. The meeting will end right now. I will come back again to continue this, okay?
Okay.
Okay.